they've gone. Shit. Anyone home? Sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. Vino aquí? This is not good. Man, that stinks. situation? What the hell's going on? What was that? No fucking way. This just keeps getting worse. Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are... Gotta go. Talk later. I'll let myself out.
Okay guys, first impression so far, it's going pretty good. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. I let myself out a bit from the game, jumping out the windows, seeing the cutscenes at your own ass, kicking people exactly in the game. You know, so far, just that little bit. The detail's great, don't get me wrong as well. but I know this is just the opening section. It's called the Chainsaw Demo, so I'm guessing there's going to be the Chainsaw guy. I can't remember his name. It's been a long time since, wow, 2004 the original release, so nearly 20 years since I've played this. I played it a couple of times through. Yeah, let's let me a second. I like the fact that they've still got this, because anyone that knows with the briefcase in Resident Evil games, it's sort of like a mini game of Tetris, and you get other things and you have to build them, and then you get the trader with his like famous "what you're buying" quotes, and you buy bigger briefcases so you can play like a really big game of Tetris, which is really cool. I spend quite a lot of time in the menus like this. It's like a little side mini game. I'm not using that yet. One bite took nearly half health, so shoot the crows. Do I get collectibles? Yes. I've only got 4 bullets, so I better be careful. But see, get some gunpowder from a crow. Yeah. That's how it works in Resident Evil. What was he eating? Anyway, let's go on. There you go, a nice little kick. Oh, some ammo, thank you. How do I reload? Hasn't told me that yet. Let's try square. There you go. I can hear them just over there. I guess the audio is going to be great if you've got the Pulse headset. And also, they're doing a VR version of this for the PSVR 2, which I will get at some point. Let's kick that. Let's get some more gunpowder, thank you. I wonder if they're doing it that you can only save it when you got the printer's ink. At the moment, I can't interact with it, so maybe they are, which is pretty cool. Then you have to plan your saves. I believe RE2 only had it, Remake only had it on the hardest difficulties, so anyway, I'm going to be quiet for a bit and continue on for a little bit. Here, I would just talk again. In the original, this dog is alive, and you can rescue the dog, and it helps you. Oh, he has money this time, okay? And it helps you actually in a boss fight afterwards. But obviously now they decided to go along with the dog is dead. You know? Yeah, I can't remember the name of the creatures, but it's that big troll that you fight near the end of the village, and this dog will come to your rescue. Obviously, Leon. A little bit too late this time.
¡Un forastero! ¡Cazadlo! ¡Coño!
hear someone. I was gonna be quiet, man. These games make me tense. I think that's one reason why I've always loved the Resident Evil games, because they're survival horror done at its best. I knew he was there. I could hear him. I could hear him there, man. Yeah, exactly, Leon. Phew. Get some ammo. Let's reload. Oh. Get some drugs. Some herbs. They're always good. Green herbs are always perfect. Always heal ya. You know, Leon loves mixing his herbs, so... Oh, a flashbang will help. Okay, flashbangs, you're going to use these for the chainsaw boss. So... 1 second. Okay, I'm not changing to a flashbang just yet. Give me gunpowder. I need that. Okay, the village, I think this is now. Yep, here we go. I'm probably going to die a lot to the chainsaw, guys, so just, like, bear with me. Okay. We're going to have to sneak more here now. Because I really don't want them all after me. So... God, they look like a joyous bunch of people, don't they? You know? Look how happy they look. Look at him. Waving his axe around and shit. Look, he's got a bucket. What's he going to do that? Dude's walking around with a bucket of water and just ignoring this guy here burning, you know? Oh. Just watch what he does. He's filled the water. Obviously got a bit of a back pain. Okay, I'm done with that. There's too many to shoot at them at once. Can I go a different route? Okay, let's go a different route. Start sneaking as well now, guys. I remember this bit in the actual... Well, of course I remember it. Oh, I want some green herbs. Give me some good stuff. I'll take that. Thank you. Okay, let's go into the menu. You don't need to tell me. Do not need to tell me this. So I can craft green herb. A green herb at the store. I don't get. Okay. I want to. Maybe. Okay. Maybe I should have listened to the menu. Okay, I can do mixed herb. Okay, so it's done like that now. Mixed herb. Okay. Used to combine. Mix the two. Combine. That teaches me not to read the menus. Yes. Okay. Stand up. Why can I not climb? Come on, you're saying climb, and then no. Reminds me a little bit of Bloodborne, I guess. I guess Bloodborne, the start, was inspired a little bit by this, maybe. Or by Lovecraftian. Bloodborne is very Lovecraftian. Okay, let's see if I can stealth-attack this bitch from behind. But my blade breaks. I know, I don't know if this was in Resident Evil 2 remake. Oh god, I hope I meet the trader. Okay, they're still there, warming up. I know I'm going to do something that actually alerts them all, and that chainsaw dude starts running around. Okay. Oh.
Here we go.
Okay, here we go, guys. Oh god, he runs so fucking slow. What the fuck? Come on, chainsaw dude. There we go. I gotta run the other way now. It's like Ash if you had a bad day. What the fucking... It's Wes, man. Run. Run around him. Pick up the handgun. This bitch is gonna try and hit me. Run around. I don't even remember how to beat the dude, if I just keep shooting him. Melee, nice round ass kick. And again, there you go. Some of the good shit. Come on, Leon. Oh, reload. Reload, Leon. Come on, come on. Oh man, they are. Dude. Ah, dude, I'm dead. Okay. Here, I need some herbs. I need some fucking weed. Give it to me. Nice, Leon. Huh? Ah, dude. Better him than the chainsaw guy, get down. I forgot how slow he runs, wow. Can I go in here? In the door. Oh, she's just chilling out watching TV. Oh, I'm so fucking... Oh, I got a hand grenade. Okay, easier. Grenade. Oh, God, get me out the window, gee. Oh, I'm dead. Get out of there. Oh, God, there's so many of them, gee. Open infantry. Oh, God, I'm so fucking dead. Close. Use. I got here. I can't do it this way no more. You used to be able to combine here and reload your gun, but you can't obviously do it no more. Flashbang. That'll do me. Correct. Get off me. God, man. Okay. Maybe I've got to run around now. I can't remember. Oh, God, I can't remember the way. L1, got him. Block it, block. Come on. Fuck you. God, they're just all chilling here, man. Run. I think I just had to run past them and run up here. I'm not sure, but I'm going. I'm going for it. Oh, it's locked. Oh my fucking God. It's fucking locked. Okay, reload. Wait, turn. Dude. Oh, I blocked that, man. Okay, guys, there's the start of it. Pretty good. Fucking fuck as always, but you know, continue. Let's give it another go. Okay, so I'm going to try and take them out before the chainsaw guy. maybe that's the best way to do it, and then it just leaves me with old fucking, I don't know, Buzzy. Let's call him Buzzy. Yeah. Maybe he shows up though if it kicks off anyway, so I had to have some of you. There you go. Nice and nice. Give me a handgun ammo. Yeah, I'm gonna try and take them out before anyone else shows up. So there's fucking loads of them. Oh, I know. I've got an idea. I have a plan. I bet it comes through that gate as I come up there as well. But I'm going to try and take these out before that dude comes and walk around as best I can to get the collectibles. Guys, if anyone's animal rights, please look away. You know, if you love cows, go on. Oh, it's on my way. Let's let the cow have some of them. Let's get rid of some of these, and hopefully they didn't catch fire. I'm kind of surprised that they didn't catch fire. Let's just circle them around here. Oh, get off me, man. Fuck off. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm going to take these guys first. I'm going to get them into that barn and burn the fuckers. Now, they can go fuck themselves. Okay, let's see if we can do this again. Yeah, guys, this is basically just like a trial and error part. I don't really remember much about how... It's a bit different, this one, from previous Resident Evils. It's more action-based. I prefer the horror-based ones, but it's still so far really good. I'm just going to have to practice. Maybe get a better gun. Okay, take that. Oh, take your ammo again. What's the same? That. Can I go through here? I used to be able to get up on the roof, so... Oh! Dude, come through the door.
Here we go.
Let's go get more. Throw an axe at me, dude. I don't know how to dodge. It's not really taught me dodging yet, so. There you go, some roundhouse kicks. Ah! I love the fact that they move. Hey, behind me. Shit, oh shit. Open infantry. Yeah. Craft. That, please. That. Use. Those. Oh, dude, if you want. Oh, fuck off. Oh, here we go. See, it's come anyway, so. Okay. Oh, they shot it. Shit. I wasn't expecting them to shoot it. Gee. Oh, man. Okay, keep pushing the wrong buttons here. No ammo in it, huh? Oh! Oh, you grabbed me? Okay. So you cut off that way. No ammo. Please, I've got my gun. Come on. Okay, so obviously waiting for him doesn't work. No, that doesn't work. Oh, fuck. Oh. Up the stairs. Oh, fucking run. Get out the window, Leon. There was a grenade in here, wasn't there? Just chilling, watching TV, I know. I hate that, man. They punch you back in now. And then I get stuck. Look. Bullshit.
Damn it. Huh?
La campana. Hay que obedecerla.
Él nos invoca.
Guys, I was kind of almost getting my ass kicked then, but obviously they like the sound of the bells, I guess. I guess it's Metallica now, for whom the bells toll, and they're like, let's go to the concert, you know? As soon as they hear that intro, it's like, I'd be the same, you know? Wow, you know, for whom the bells toll, let's go and do this. Come on, Leon, it's a Metallica concert, maybe. They really fucked me up, though, wow. Yeah, bye-bye. Go and do your Satan worship and stuff. Guys, that was really good. If that's it, is that the end of the demo?
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
a little bit more. If that's the end of the demo, guys, I wish it was a little bit longer, to be honest with you. It's good, it's great, in fact. Is that it? 31 minutes? Okay, guys, that's the end of the demo. Very, very good. Yes, I'm going to be buying this game. I will review it. I won't do a playthrough, but I'll definitely review the game. Okay, guys? Thank you, and see you soon. Take care. Bye.